Hi friends, today I am in a new video, and in this video we are going to talk about the new earbuds by Noise, and the model name of the earbuds are Buds VS103. In this video we are also going to talk about the box content and all the features what this earbuds offer. So talking about the earbuds, this looks like the normal earbuds what we have seen earlier from Noise. I'm just going to unwrap the plastic from the box and also see all the features what it is providing. This will be coming in two colors. The two colors will be jet black and white. So what we are holding is a jet black. If you see at the back, it is coming with a HyperSync IPX5 waterproof rating. It has a 18-hour playtime. It comes with the full touch control, and the price written on the box is 2,999, which is around 3,000 bucks. This is not the final price. We will definitely talk about the price. Now coming with there is some paperwork. It comes with the user manual. I will definitely recommend you to check that, and also some stickers. This is the charging case, and also the earbuds are present in it. In this small box we are also getting a Type-C charging cable with the two ear tips. These are small and large ear tips. The medium ear tips are already installed with the earbuds. Let's check out the main box, and the earbuds are also present. You just have to unwrap this polythene, and once you are done with that, you can check out the earbuds. You have already seen the design on the box. It looks pretty much similar, and here you can see the box. You just can open it with the flip. And coming to the earbuds, here I will request you to check out the product manual, that how the earbuds work, all the touch controls you can see here. I will definitely show you that. If you take out the earbuds first time, you will see a normal paper wrap on them. I will just recommend you to take them out, tear them off, and don't use it later on, because it is just for your battery doesn't get drained. And you can take out, peel off this paper wrap from both the earpods, and when you are taking out the earpods from the case, it will look a little bit tight, but once you peel off this paper, it will very easy to take off your earbuds. Just peel it off so that you can use it, and once you are done with that, you can pair it with your smartphone. It comes with a 1 year of warranty. The earbuds weighs around 3.9 grams, and the driver size is 10 mm. And the Bluetooth version what you are getting is 5.0. The buds charging time is up to 2 hours, and in standby time it can deliver up to 30 hours. The play time is up to 4.5 hours. The Bluetooth range is 10 meter. So this is what we are getting. If you talk about with the charging case, it weighs around 31.9 grams. It comes with the USB Type-C charging port. And talking about the earbuds, when the earbuds are green, it means it is charging. When it is no light, it means full charge. When you are charging the case, when it is a blinking white LED, it means that it is charging. When it has a white LED, it means it is fully charged. So this is what you can do, and the charging is from the bottom end. Now you can pair your earbuds. It is very easy. Just open the case and it will search that. Just pair with the Noise Buds VS103. The pairing can be done very easily. And if you go to the settings here, you can see you are getting the phone calls, media audio, and you can also do the contact sharing. Now coming to the audio playback, I will show you how it functions. Because if you play and pause, just have to tap on the left or the right twice, then you can play or pause the song. Here you can see, for the next song you have to long press the right one, and if you long press the left one, you will go to the previous song. If you tap once on the right side, it will increase the volume. If you tap on the left side once, it will decrease the volume. Here you can see I am tapping once on the right side to increase the volume, and you can go up to the full volume control. If you tap on the left side, you can decrease the volume. Here you can do like that. And coming to the answer call, just tap once when your call is coming, and if you want to end the call, you have to tap twice. This can be done on the left and right both. If you are rejecting a call, you just have to touch and hold for 2 seconds, left or right, either one. Now coming to the voice assistant, you have to triple tap, and then you can access the voice assistant. It can trigger Siri and also Google Assistant with the triple tap. So this is all about the features what you are getting with the Noise Buds VS103. Talking about the product, we have tried it. For the highs, it goes more in the treble. The bass is little bit low. In the mids, it is very good, and in the low also the lows are very good. So there is no issue with that. The audio quality is definitely loud enough, but I do feel that it is more in the treble side rather on the bass side. Noise Buds VS103 is available for 1499 on the official website. I will definitely drop out the link in the description section below so that you guys can check it out. This is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.